I know what you're talking about.
I found some money.
Oh,
Where is it? Where? Oh, I see.
oh, the camera's on.
I'm gonna pass this to you, okay?
Okay.
Fuck! The fucking solid concrete balloons!
This is an artifact.
Okay,
These
well,
don't
no,
count.
I'm getting the money right now.
I think the guards can get like they can get alerted to bags because he didn't see me. He saw the bag though.
There's one more, I'm gonna go get it. It's kind of fun though. Like passing between with like a guard in the middle. Okay, and then...
Yo,
God,
I have to test it. I need to see if it's on safety.
got one over here.
the camera's on.
Get close.
He's gone. Give me the buddy. I got it. I
Yo,
got
man,
it too.
Yo, this is so cool!
What, sacred?
This guard keeps going like back and forth. Fuck off.
Yo, you could probably pass me some. Like, pass me one. Right?
Yeah, man.
Never
when
mind.
the guard fucking moves.
Okay. Bro, you can up. That weak ass throw.
That is directly to you. That is not fucking weak.
The first one, not the second one.
Because the first one hit the wall.
Go to the
Go to the
wall.
wall.
God away.
Where could they possibly keep
wall.
money, bro? Oh, fucking yacht.
Okay. I can't even get these like last two artifacts because it's fucking NPCs.
Just forget it for now. Let's try to get out of here.
Okay, well the next room I have to kill the guard.
You have to.
Murder is a fucking
I
must.
found my money.
Give me money.
Okay, well, if you kill him, just make sure no one's around.
There's gonna be two civilians in that room, and I have to like drop them immediately.
Fucking pass it.
And by drop them, I mean fucking kill them.
Keep your distance.
We just need 3 more, bro. Is that money?
Yeah, it's money.
Thank you. Sacred, you got a lot of shit over there. Is there any money or is it just artifacts?
2 money bags.
God away. Yeah.
Okay, so we basically won. I'll come over there. Okay, grab one.
Don't say that.
There's 2 NPCs in there, and there's a guard in here.
Yeah, okay. My bad, y'all.
Keep your
Like,
distance.
don't say that, and I almost ran into a guard. My bad, y'all. So there's a guard and 2 NPCs? Okay.
My hands are
Mhm.
sweating.
Steady movements, brother. I'm gonna give you the
Where's-
bag.
Yo, give me the money first. Throw the monies.
Hold on, because the guard is looking my direction. The guard is moving. I can't.
Get him
Wait,
now.
what? What?
Get him now!
Answer
Did
the
he see
page.
one of you? I don't.
No, he saw you.
Here, sorry. Holy fuck!
What do you want me to throw the... Yo.
There's a motherfucking guard!
We have one more, bro. We have one more page after him.
About if I left
Throw the
this
money out the
stuff
window.
alone.
You can throw it out the
Yeah, I
window.
think I'll
You can
let
open the windows. The ones that have sliders on them, of course. Where the rest of the money at?
The last money bag. Oh. Oh my god,
Okay,
then
let's-
yes, there's more.
Okay,
Should I kill this guy and just toss his body out the window?
yeah. Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
Why did my music change to the fucking loud version, bro?
Wait.
Closing the window after throwing him out, man. It's fucked.
Okay, once he passes, we can go downstairs.
Guard. Got one over here.
You can go, Cyrus. Come on.
Security guard. Okay, connect me to the laptop. This should only take a moment.
We did it, gang.
Get down! Oh! Yeah, if Wallbang was in this game, he would be like fucking crying right now. Like, just pop 2 civilians, 1 guard in the
Yo,
head.
what is that shirt? Yo, what the fuck are you wearing, bro? We are gamers.
Okay, that's the server room door open.
Yeah, but shit,
This
this
is
is
true.
We are gamers.
Soft reboot. Give you
This
access
is
to
true.
controls. Then you can get the server.
This not hard.
Hell fucking no!
You'll need to overheat the system.
Oh, that's bothering me.
Turning off the flow of cooling.
Oh my god, this guard's in here too. Fuck!
And we have no pagers.
How are we gonna overheat
Like-
them?
At the bottom, I guess? I don't know. Oh yeah, there's valves. Also, there's no one down here yet. They're not downstairs yet, so.
This fucking laser's down here, bro. Be careful. Okay, well,
He
it's just lasers. It wasn't that serious.
Fucking like you thought it was like Resident Evil lasers. Oh shit!
How do we get through these without... I think we have to go on the opposite side. Like up here. Oh shit.
Please be careful, bro.
Oh! Wait, no.
That all over.
Fuck! Yo.
Okay, I see how to get to the other side.
Okay, just be careful. Cyrus, go. Oh shit.
Watch the heat rise. You'll get that reboot.
Shit gonna blow up behind me?
Is there anybody on my side?
I don't know.
Use over.
Now I should be able to
Oh.
override the main panel.
Oh, fuck!
No way, yeah.
How are we supposed to get there, man?
Guard over here.
Yo, what are you doing? Oh my god. I have to be quick about this. Don't alert him. Do not alert him. Oh fuck! Why did you go up there, bro? Why'd you do that?
I thought I was fast enough.
No!
You just... Oh my god, why'd you do that?
I thought I was fast enough.
Motherfucker. Oh my god. What is wrong with him?
And we gotta wait for this shit too, so we're gonna get caught. Oh my god. I'm gonna answer him like last second. Do it.
Just 2 more overrides. Should be about halfway.
That's the alarm, guys. It's on.
We didn't. Oh. Let's just... Fuck it.
Just 1 more override.
Let's see if we can do this in time. Surely, right?
We got it.
Where do we go? Where do we go? Yo, Bane, do we really have to
I don't-
do this?
You can either look for more loot. Get out.
Okay.
Run, quick. Yo, where the fuck? Oh,
Go.
holy fuck. There's no way. Oh,
Go.
no way we just fucking did that, bro.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my fucking god.
Yo, that was too close, bro. Why is stealth like the most intense shit ever at the end?
Fucking... Jesus Christ.